What's up, guys? I'm currently out here working on the new E30 that I bought about a week ago. So I have not had this thing for very long at all, and we have been putting in mad hours on this thing to get it ready for a car event, Hot Import Nights this weekend. I'll be taking the white car, and I'll be taking this car, the E30, which hasn't been seen on film yet. So super stoked about it. I've already done quite a bit of little things to it. Right now all I'm doing is the exhaust. So they had it's got a straight pipe, no cat, no resonators. So it's loud. It's very, very loud. Very annoying. It sounds kind of like a 370Z straight piped. So my roommate actually has one of those. I'm pretty sure I'm just about as loud as his, and it's ridiculous. But yeah, let me show you what I'm doing. All right, so I got the car jacked up, and then I went ahead and I cut off the original pipe and kind of made this little archway right here for the new muffler, which is a Spec D tuning muffler. I think it's pretty dope. It's kind of got a Banzuku style to it with these little tips that come up. I like that a lot. It's got little burnt tips, nice welds. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully this thing will get it a little bit more quieter. I mean, I still want it to be loud, but this is the old pipe. And it was super uber raspy. So taking that shit off and putting this baby on. So the process now, what I need to do is I need to put a different wheel on the grinder, smooth all this out, smooth all this archway out, test fit the arch on the muffler, and from there we should be good. About 10 minutes of grinding, and this is what we're looking like right now. It's got that archway, comes nice and flush all the way back. So now I'm at the point that I just need to figure out how I'm going to secure it, and I think I'm going to use the old bracket that the old exhaust had on it right here. Weld this to the top of the muffler, and then also weld around the end of it, so that way where the old pipe meets the new muffler, I'm going to weld that together also. But for now, I might just go ahead and run a clamp that I have. So I'm gonna run that clamp and then tighten it down really good, and then just to see where I'm at on the fitment, and then I might weld the top bracket first, so I know that like that's where I want the exhaust, instead of like pulling and bending the exhaust to weld weld it up to the bracket, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. All in all, it's coming along pretty good. What's up, guys? So I got the exhaust on. Sounds great. This is a little bit late actually for the video. I've had this exhaust on for probably about 3 months now, but I just realized that I had the video saved and I still haven't finished it or posted it, so it's a little overdue, but you know, I'm gonna do it right now. I'm gonna get a couple like exhaust clips of the car, a couple little revs, and that's it, so you guys can see what it's like. And then I'll post a link down below on the exhaust that I'm using. The typical Euro exhaust is like normally like $200. Like if you get it from like an actual company like ECS or something like that, they're like $200 for a dual exit exhaust. I bought this one on Amazon for like 20 bucks and it sounds fucking awesome. So here.